You're working on a Chrysler 440 with this one has a 6-pack. So talking about installing the water pump, and what I'll show you on the old one is why you need to add thread sealer to the bolts. So let's go to the old one. So here's the old water pump and water pump housing, and as you can see, the bolts go directly, it goes into the water passages. Can't really see it, but it goes right through, right into the water passages, every single one of them. So you need to add sealer. If not, if you just put sealant or a gasket around the mating surface, it'll weep out of the bolt holes. And what I use this on small block Chevys also, and it's really good, is the Toyota FIPG. It's like their RTV, and it's really good. I use this to also seal the head studs on the small block Chevy. Never did leak on me.